Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to change the vehicle dynamic mode on the following device. So if you would like to change the vehicle dynamics, let's use here the home screen. From the home screen, all you need to do is find here and select the car icon located at the upper right corner. Let's choose here this configure button right here. Let's just tap it. And then under the driving, you've got the vehicle dynamics. If you tap it, you can change it from comfort to normal or to sport. Of course, if you have this sport feeling, you can choose sport, but in my case, comfort is the best for me. So let me leave my car with the comfort dynamic. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.